Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing my night routine. That's why my hair is looking like this. But guys, on a serious note, I'm trying to grow my hair back natural. Alright? So before I jump into the routine itself, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, I think
Please, guys, I am going to hit the shower right about now. So, yeah, I just picked out my clothes and now I am going to head to the shower and then, well, when I get there, you'll see. Alright, I see you there. Alright, guys, so I don't normally use any special soap on my face. I just grab any soap, and as you can see, my face isn't bumpy. It is smooth. But anywho, I'm just gonna use the soap to wash my face. I don't have a skin routine, so I'm thinking about doing a skin routine soon. But I just have some regular soap here. I'm just gonna wash my face. Yes, guys, with some warm water. So the soap that I'm using is a pear soap. As you all know, it is good for the skin, and with the warm water, it opens up your pores. All right. Yes, so I'm gonna grab one of these face towels, and I am going to dry my face, guys. I'm just gonna dry my face. I'm thinking about redoing my hair by hopefully soon, because I'm at work, and because I'm working, it's hectic to do my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna try and redo it soon. I was thinking about permanent it back because it looks so bad at the moment, but I'm gonna give it a second chance. I'm gonna try and work on it. I'm gonna get some hair treatment and see if I can bring it back to the natural state. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Alright, guys, so now I'm going to grab my pure olive oil. So I'm just wiping the bottle off. It was in my makeup kit, and you know, makeup kit can get a bit messy at some point. So I'm just wiping it off. The pure olive oil. Yup. Then I am going to use it to moisturize my face, and this is all I do whenever I wash my face. I don't use lotion on my face. Well, maybe I do. Sometimes I do. Sometimes, you know, you slack off on certain things. So yeah, so sometimes I do use lotion, but most of the times I use the olive oil. So you're just gonna put a little bit on your face. You don't want your face too oily, so you just want to put it on it so it moisturizes your skin, and it gives you a nice smooth feeling afterward. Yes, so that's about it, guys. My skin is smooth and I am loving it. Yes, so there you have it, guys. Take a look. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to grab my hair scarf right now. So this is my hair tie. I use this all the time. So if you see it in videos, no worries. It doesn't have a special function. I just use it for everything. Oops, the towel fell off. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie my hair into a little bow. I don't know why you guys can't see my hair top, but I'm gonna try and fix the video so you can see it. There we have it. And that's all I do when I'm going to bed. Just tie my hair. Sometimes I don't even bother to tie my hair. But most of the time I do. Yes, baby. Baby, baby. On to brushing my teeth. So I'm gonna brush my teeth now, guys. And I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video. Enjoy! Guys, I think that's about it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, man. And